So I was like, I can't find her and it's not like her. So I need you guys to page her, check the bathrooms for me.
Yeah, he got really nervous, guys, kasi akala niya nagle-labor na ako.
You weren't answering I called you 10 times.
Hi guys! Welcome back! Nandito na naman tayo sa Cold Stone, no? Dahil favorite ni Travis ang Cold Stone than Rita's. Bibili tayo ng ice cream. Meron kasi kaming gift card. Meron pa kami natirang gift card. Thank you. Yeah. Ayan, ang dami nilang flavor na ice cream. Ang favorite ko is yung coffee. Coffee and then chocolate one. Ayun yung mga pwede na i-toppings, ganyan. Kasi mas masarap yung ice cream nila. Meron din sila dyang cake. O, diba? So, katatapos na namin mag-gym, guys. Pero, itong si Travis gusto ng ice cream.
Yeah.
Ayun yung order ni Travis, guys. Fudge. Ano yan?
Fudge lover?
Yeah. Ito akin yung coffee lover.
Oh gosh, it's good.
Sarap.
Very sweet.
Wanna try it?
I mean, I drank like a gallon of water today, so it'll help.
Ang sarap, try nyo yan. Tapos ito, coffee lover siya. Magkano binayaran natin? I think $21, right? Just for this two. While the Rita's is around 15 bucks.
Yeah.
So, kain muna tayo, guys.
It's a lot more expensive.
Yeah. Tignan nyo, guys. Kakawin na kami. May dala na naman si Travis na bigay ni Aunt Sophie, ni Ellie. Ang cute, oh. It looks like a stroller.
It's
Oh, it's not.
That you can just sit in
That's nice.
and just hang out with you.
I have to maybe wash this cloth or what?
Yeah, maybe.
It looks clean, but so ayan. Ang cute, no? Pauwi na pala kami, guys.
Hi.
Hi, my pretty girl. Hi, my Kinsley. Binalik na naman namin yung cone niya, guys. Kasi nagkakamot na naman siya ng hita niya. Pero hindi na yung lubot niya. Bakit ka nagkakamot ng lubot? What?
Huh? I'm just saying words with you.
What you got? Ito nga pala yung binili namin, guys, sa farmer's market. Kinuha niya na yung bone marrow.
She already has a lot of
Yeah. Grabe ka, Kinsley, ah. Grabe, ah. Gustong-gusto mo yan. Bibilan ka ulit namin yan. Mas maganda daw kasi pag ganyan yung treats. Ay, yung ano nila. You know, ngaya. Look at that, babe. It's already half.
What are you doing? Yeah, that tastes good.
How much is that?
It's like $4, five. Almost, I think maybe you paid
With tax,
$5 with
yeah.
tax.
And you like the apple butter?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good, right?
This is
Nakauwi
good.
na siya.
These are good for her.
Babe, did you
see,
miss us?
Yeah.
You went camping without me.
I know. I slept all alone in our huge tent just by myself.
How was it?
It just was like spread out. Look at these big. Look at her nails. Yeah, I know. Good girl. Okay, eat your so we can look at you. Look at those nails.
Ayaw niya pahawak
They're
yung ano niya kasi alam niya kukunin namin.
Look at those
Hindi
suckers.
kasi namin,
Babe, look at.
haba no? Hindi kasi namin siya pinapag-ngat-ngat niyan magdamag kasi kailangan bantayan pa rin namin siya. Tingnan, may nag-sponsor kay Kinsey ng fountain, guys. Water fountain. Sa TikTok niya. Galing kasi Martin ni Kinsley, no? Artista ka, girl. Artista ka, girl? Ha?
She likes it.
Kaya mukha ni Kinsey. Nagigigil na naman ako sa'yo. Gigigil na naman ako kasi tignan mo ginawa mo. Grabe. Nakakahasa daw ng ngipin. Sabi nung nagtitinda, maganda daw sa aso. Sa ngipin na aso. Good morning, guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa gaming room. Dahil irarap na namin ang aking package na isisend sa Pilipinas para maasikaso ko na bago ko manganak. Nagpapadala nga pala kami sa Makati Express Cargo. Siguro pangatlong box ko na to na padala. Sila pa rin yung kinuhaan ko ng box. Ay, baby! Ay, lalagyan na namin siya guys sa jeep. Tapos, sana open sila ngayon. I-double daw ni Travis yung pag-tape. Isama ka na sa package? Isama na ikaw? Ha? Isama na ikaw, Kinsley? Grabe ka, supportive naman ng aking asawa. Pati si Kinsley. Sabi ng kapatid ko, pakidala na rin po, pakilagay na rin po si Kinsley sa loob ng box. Kinsley! Alright, lagyan na natin siya sa jeep.
That means
Okay. Don't lift it, ha? Give me that.
Ciao.
Kinsley. Galing ah. Very good si Daddy ah, Kinsley ah. Come here. Come here, get inside. Hey, come here now. Come on. Pinapaano niya muna yung tent. Pinaarawan niya para hindi mamaho, no? Para hindi mag-mold sa loob. Para kasi nung mga nakaraang camping namin, umuulan, ganun. Mas maganda ka. Grabe yung ilong ko, mga beshi. Grabe. Kasi mas maganda yung pinapasingawan yun. Alis kami guys, punta kami ng Navy Fed. Hey, look at my nose.
Oh shoot.
What?
Oh no, I got it. Alright, you ready?
Punta kami ng Navy Federal, mag-withdraw lang kami guys. Kasi hindi sila nagtatanggap ng card. Cash lang. Do you have water there? We don't.
Did you not bring one?
No. Roomba, Roger is cleaning. Did you turn it on? Roger, or is he
Yeah.
scheduled to clean?
Roger's
today?
cleaning, but I shut the bedroom door, so he won't be able to
Oh, yeah.
go in there.
And, kasi si Kinsley guys, kapag ka-open yung namin, bedroom namin, pupunta siya doon. Nung isang araw nakita namin, nandun na sa taas ng kama. Alam niyang bawal siya doon, pero pag wala kami, doon talaga siya nagpapapasaway. Tapos nung isang araw, umalis ako papunta ako work, tas may nakalimutan ako, so binalikan ko. Tapos pagbalik ko, nasa taas ng couch. Yung pinakaano ng yung sinasandalan natin, nandun siya mismo sa taas, hindi sa upuan. So kaya sabi ni Travis, hindi ka na talaga mapagkatiwalaan pag wala kami dito. Mabait kapag nandito kami. Pero pag siya lang talaga, kailangan mo talagang i-secure, lahat is closed. Tapos yung couch kasi, ang Great Furnace kasi, gusto nila yung parang, pag wala ata yung amo nila, gusto nila yung nag-guard sila sa bahay. Gusto nila yung nakikita nila lahat ng Kaya si Kinsey gusto niya doon sa maibabaw ng couch kasi gusto niya makita yung mga sa labas, kung anong mga nangyayari, kung meron bang mga tawag nito tao na ganun kasi sila, masyado silang protective. So yon, punta muna kami sa Makati Express. Holiday kasi ngayon, federal holiday, right babe?
Yeah, today is.
Pero we don't know if open sila. Pero feeling naman namin open sila.
Should be.
Yes. Feeling namin open naman sila. Kaya lang gusto ko na din kasi ipadala to. Kasi nga guys, pag mga nakako, baka hindi ko na maasikaso. So, kumpleto naman na puno na yung box ko. So, ipapadala ko na lang siya na ngayon, habang may time pa kami ngayon ni Travis. Diba? Kasi after ko din manganak, medyo magiging busy din talaga kami guys. So, what happened?
Navy Federal's probably closed.
Today?
Yeah, it's a holiday.
No, I think their kiosk is open. You know, they're always open, the kiosk.
You mean for the ATM?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't have an ATM card for that bank.
You sure?
Positive.
Oh my gosh.
I'd have to order another one.
Then I can withdraw mine.
No, I mean, I can withdraw from my other account.
Yeah, okay. Then transfer it there.
Mhm.
Why you don't have card there? You should have just
I
asked
don't know.
them.
I think I shredded it.
For real?
Yeah, I wasn't using it, so I think I got
But that's your checking, right?
Mhm.
So yun guys, punta muna kami daw. Punta rin kami ng base ngayon kasi magtitingin kami sa NEX. Sa kung may sale sila kasi nga President's Day, holiday, hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Pero yung mga tao sa base wala silang pasok. Pero yung facility namin, yung work ko may pasok sila. Pero wala akong pasok today kasi nga 2 tao lang yung mag-work the whole day ngayong araw kasi
It might be.
kasi tawag nito
They might be open.
I think they are open. Kasi hindi kami mag-open yung facility namin sa work. Tingnan nyo guys, nakakatawa dito sa Amerika. Meron silang drive-thru ATM. I think in the Philippines, we don't have drive-thru ATM yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So look, pwede kang tawag nito, mag-withdraw. Yung parang nga pag mag-order ka sa drive-thru, di ba, nasa sasakyan ka. So yan, tignan mo yung lalaki, nag-ano lang siya, tag niyan. Yan, nasa sasakyan lang siya. Kaya tawag nila dito drive-thru ATM. Is that correct? Drive-thru ATM. So, yun. Hindi mo na kailangan bumaba ng sasakyan, di ba? Napakalupit.
Normally these
Masyado
are
silang advance
pretty
dito, no?
quick, but
Tatlo yung, close yung dalawa. Tapos ito. So, sarado sila, guys.
you might want to restart that.
That's fine. Sarado yung Makati Express. Bali, babalik na lang kami. Pero nag-leave ako ng voicemail sa number nila. May iniwan naman silang number. Ngayon, pupunta kami ng base. Let's go. Red Ribbon. Ayan o, Red Ribbon. Diyan ako bumibili dati ng...
Dang, they're closed
Ano?
too.
No, they're open. That was my Delicate Oriental Grocery. That's the Delicate Oriental Grocery that we went to, me and Mom Babe.
Was it good? Ooh,
Yeah.
That's ugly.
We bought the natto kanis. Yeah. Ito dati yung way ko pag pupunta ko ng Starbucks kasi nandun yung Starbucks. Yung dati yung work ko. Do you know where we're going? Do you know the... Oh, because this is your...
Yeah, it's our old road.
Yeah. Ganda ng panahon ngayon, guys.
We're back on our own stomping grounds.
Yeah. Punta kami ng base. Magtitingin kung may sale. Kung mayroon daw sila mga good deals ngayon, no?
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Katatapos lang namin mag-shopping. Hindi naman kami masyadong bumili ng madami. May mga sale kasi sila. So nagbili si Travis ng pants. Nakakaloka, pinage pa niya ako. sabi doon sa customer service, Miss Jessie darling, please go to the customer service, please. What is that? I don't know. Nagulat ako, sabi ko, ano bang ginawa ko? Nagnakaw ba ako or what? Sabi ko, wala naman akong ginawa masama ah. What did you tell them, babe?
I said it's been about 15-20 minutes since I could find my wife. I've called her 10 times. She's not answering, and she's 8 weeks pregnant. So
Ano, 8 weeks?
I mean, 8 months pregnant. Sorry. And
I'm
then,
9 months pregnant.
9 months. So
Yeah.
I was like, I can't find her, and it's not like her. So I need you guys to page her, check the bathrooms for me.
Yeah, he got really nervous, guys, kasi akala niya
Yeah,
nagle-labor na ako.
You weren't answering I called you 10 times.
Hindi man
No
kasi
answer.
nag-ano yung phone ko. And I texted you. You didn't receive my message.
Yeah, I didn't receive your text, so
Oo, kinabahan pati yung babae sa
I know you got my phone call.
Yung babae sa customer service, kinabahan niya siya. Niyakap niya nga ako. Sabi niya, are you okay? Tapos yung makikita mo talaga sa mukha niya na siya, yung nag-aalala siya. Sabi ko, Diyos ko po, nagawa ko? Kasi nasa fitting room, and then I texted him, babe, I'm just gonna go to the women's dresses. Hindi niya pala na-receive. Tapos nag-browse ako doon kasi ang daming sale, 40% sale sila. Ala, napatagal din yung
I
pag
walked
ko.
out after trying my pants on, and I couldn't find you for almost 20 minutes. And I was like, okay,
20 minutes agad yun? Parang 10 minutes lang yun?
not even. Because I went after that, I went and looked at my stuff, and I'm like, okay, called you, didn't answer, texted you, didn't answer.
Kaya talaga ako.
I pulled up, find my phone, tried to find you for about 10 minutes. I walked around, went upstairs, had a lady check the bathroom, not there. Went back downstairs, walked around the store about 3-4 times, and couldn't find you. And then finally the manager lady walked by me and she's like, are you okay? And I'm like, well, I don't know, I can't find my wife. And it's been about 20 minutes and 10 phone calls and she's gone. Says her
Grabe na
phone's still here though.
Nahiya talaga ako guys. Sabi ko, Diyos ko po. Kasi akala niya talaga nagle-labor na ako eh. Akala niya kasi hindi ako nagre-respond.
I was getting mad at you.
Nagalit siya sa akin.
I was getting mad. I'm like, why isn't she answering the phone call?
Yeah. Baka daw kasi lumabas
I was like, what would someone do? Come in, tell her to throw her phone down, and then abduct her for the baby?
Oh my gosh.
Because they know it's gonna be
Because
a cute
anytime
baby.
soon lalabas na si Ellie. 'Di ba? Pupunta kami ngayon ng Olive Garden, kakain kami guys. Nagugutom na daw si Mister. 'Di ba? Meron silang tawag nito, ang dami nilang sale. 40% ano sila. Sale clearance na tapos may additional 40% ano pa. Pero wala akong nabili guys, wala akong nagustuhan. Sabi ko kay Travis, maybe after I give birth, I'll buy clothes for me because right now it's hard for me to fit the clothes because of my belly. Bumili ako ng blouse. Diyos ko po, hanggang dito ko lang kalahati na parang nag-crop top talaga siya. Sabi ko sa kanya lang kasi hindi ko na-feel talaga na bagay siya sa akin kahit after kasi hindi ko makita na ano yung okay siya, no? So yun, sabi ko nga pag ano na lang, pagkatas ko mga anak, doon na lang ako magbili. Nakabili siya ng 2 pants niya kasi kailangan niya. Nag-sale din sila yung mga pang men's clothes.
They had a good
yun,
deal
guys.
on the pants.
Tapos ano nga pala yung Makati tinatawagan ko, wala, hindi pa sila, sabi babalik daw sila at sa office nila pero wala pa din tinatawagan ko. So baka mamaya. So kakain muna kami guys sa Olive Garden and we'll see you later. Nakauwi na kami guys ng bahay. In order ko na
This is a life hack. So like if you're choking, you press it and it pulls whatever's in your throat out of your throat and into the device.
And this one, can you open, babe?
I can't, babe.
Here, there's here. No. Are you nervous? Were you nervous earlier?
I thought someone took you
No.
to try to steal my baby.
No. Ayan na.
They packed this thing in here.
Ayan
Oh, wait.
yung bottle
There's a
dryer.
bunch of stuff in here.
Yeah, because I ordered
Ooh, what is this?
This is my powder.
Oh, what's this? Oh, this is a tiny light.
Yeah, the night light. So tiny, huh? It looks big in the
Let's see how bright it is. Better not have to return this, babe.
Why?
Oh,
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Nice.
pretty cool. We could use this camping.
Mm-hmm.
And then, oh, nice. So that's how you do it. So you can keep it on that one color, and then you just change the color.
Right.
So if you're
Pinaglaruan na.
cool.
Tapos, bumili rin ako guys ng ito. Drying rack. Para sa mga bote ni Ellie. Ayan.
Babe, that's a bottle in it end.
So, ayun. Hi guys! Katulog kami ni Travis. Nag-idlip kami. Nag-iisip ako guys kung mag-change ako ng phone. Kasi maganda daw yung Samsung Ultra. Samsung Ultra ba yun na pang vlog? Kasi itong phone ko okay naman siya. Kaso ang problema lang dito, yun nga, yung storage, kahit na iCloud, nag-upgrade na kami ng iCloud storage, medyo ano pa din, tas medyo alam mo yun, yung minsan naglalag, ganyan. Kaya gusto ni Travis magpalit kami na naman ng phone. So, tignan namin kung hindi ko alam kasi, hindi ko pa alam kung ready naman ako magpalit from iPhone to Samsung. Naman na to, fully paid na tong phone namin parehas. So, depende yan sa amin kung gusto namin magpalit, ganun. Kasi, wala naman na kami babayaran sa phone namin. And siguro pag nag-upgrade lang ako, meron lang akong extra na babayaran. Kasi nga, yung iPhone ko, kalimutan ko kung anong iPhone to. Kay Travis, iPhone, ano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko. O, diba? Kalimutan ko na. iPhone, ano ba yun? Kaya ask ko nga. Babe, what iPhone is this? iPhone, my phone?
14.
Yun, iPhone 14. Sa kanya yung... What about yours? What is that?
Same, it's a 14, but mine's a Pro Max.
Ayun, yung kanya, iPhone Pro Max, ganun. Tapos, gusto niya nang palitan kasi nga, si Travis, na-stress sa phone niya. Minsan, inahagis niya yung phone niya. Naglalag daw kasi. Tapos, ewan ko ba, basta. Tapos, kanina, di ba nga, galing kami sa NEX, hindi niya na-receive yung, hindi naman sa phone yun, minsan sa service din kasi, nandun nga kami sa lugar kung saan wala masyadong, service. Pero natawagan niya ako kanina. Di ba? Napa-page niya pa ako kanina. Hiyang-hiya talaga ako sa NEX. So, yun guys. Pupunta muna kami ng... Ano na naman, Kinsley? Ano na naman, girl? Ha? What? Pupunta muna kami ng gym, guys. At mamaya magbibake ako ng... tawag nito? Ng banana bread. Tapos, maglalaba. May pasok ako bukas. Last 2 days ko sa work. Come here, babe. Pogi naman yun. Pogi naman yun, oh. Lo.
Babe, I got this one.
What?
This one is a nootropic. It's all natural. It's beets. It doesn't taste as good as the other stuff. It's beetroot.
Ugh.
You want to try?
No.
Eliana will be like, whoa!
So, yun guys, ang vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!